In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Xbox games on your Amazon Fire TV stick. At the time of filming this video, there are 4 compatible devices. These are Fire TV Stick 4K Max 2021, Fire TV Cube 22, Fire TV Stick 4K 23, and Fire TV Stick 4K Max 23. You will also need a subscription to Gamepass Ultimate and a compatible game controller. This includes the Xbox or PlayStation controller. The first thing you need to do is search for the Xbox app. You should now select it. You can now download it and install it. Once installed, press open. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Xbox account. So select sign in or sign up. You can then scan the QR code and log into your Xbox account. Once you sign in, it should start to load. It will now ask you if you want to pair a controller. So I'm going to pair my Xbox controller. So select pair controller. It will then ask you to allow location permissions, so I'll press next. I'll select whilst using the app. You then have to choose your controller, so Xbox, PlayStation or other. I've got an Xbox, so I'll select Xbox. You then need to get your Xbox controller and press the button on the top. Then wait till you start to see rapid flashing on the Xbox logo like that. I'll then press pair. It's now searching for the controller. It's now found the Xbox wireless controller, so I'll select it. And it's now pairing. And now it's paired, you can see the light is now gone solid. Then have to press any button to make sure it's worked, so I'll press A. And it's successfully paired. Once you're logged in, the interface is very similar to your standard Xbox interface. And you can play most Gamepass games which are cloud compatible. So let's have a look at Forza, for example. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.